Hello students, in this video we will discuss chapter 10, the world of growing knowledge of class 5 social studies. In this chapter we will learn and know about the beginning of art of writing, a story of paper, a story of numbers, barrel script and invention of printing press. The world of growing knowledge are changing world. The world of growing knowledge and progress started the observation and experience of human beings who have the capacity of thinking. Thus began the art of drawing, painting and writing. Means the early humans could not remember everything. So they felt a need to develop a method of recording their knowledge. So that they began the art of drawing, painting and writing. Okay. Then first one was writing. Then early men used to communicate with each other through the signs and gestures, and gradually they learned to use their voice to express themselves. They started drawing pictures on the walls of the caves, and as you know that the early humans lived in the caves. Then so that they started the drawing the pictures on the walls of the caves, and they mostly drew the pictures of animals. Okay, and they used one piece of wood to make the pictures, and the drawing system was the first effort in communication by drawing. Many such pictures have been found in Asia and Europe, and the earliest form of script called cuneiform, was developed by the Sumerians. Now what was cuneiform? Then cuneiform was one of the earliest system of writing. Understood? What do you mean by cuneiform? Cuneiform was the one of the earliest system of writing. Okay. You can see the picture also, that now the symbols slowly gave birth to the letters, and in the earliest examples of writings have been found on the seals of the Indus Valley civilizations, and now experts are still trying to read it. The writing which have been on the seals, and you would be read in next class in history about the Indus Valley civilization and seals also. So I am not describing it more. Now the Brahmi script came after this script, and many Indian languages are based on this script, and our official language Hindi is based on Devanagari script, in which the letters are based on sounds and not on pictures. Means this script has also developed from the Brahmi script. We also use Urdu, Arabic and Persian scripts in our country, and some of the scripts are given below in this chapter. Now we will discuss the remaining parts of this chapter in next video. Thank you.